Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my new hydrogen generator. And the reason I made it is because my old one here, it is really bad. It has a bunch of leaks in it and it didn't make enough hydrogen. It was just crap. It wasn't good because hot glue doesn't work as well. So here's my new one. On this one I use silicone, so there's no way it can leak. There's not even the smallest leak. And I'm running it off a car battery here, so it's got plenty of current and a good amount of voltage, so it's a good mix of hydrogen and oxygen. And it goes into through this tube into this bubbler I made, and it bubbles right there to clean it out and to act as the final thing that will stop it from exploding. And it goes into here, into this like makeshift micro torch. I haven't lit it though because I'm afraid it'll flash back. The flashback is just whenever it explodes inside the tube and goes all the way back here and explodes the entire thing. And the explosion might be so powerful it'll shatter the glass and I have to fix everything and clean it, so I'm not gonna light the torch until I get a flashback arrestor. And right here I'm gonna make little bubbles which I can pop. So here we go, we're gonna fire it up now. Connect the battery. There you go, see it starts going. Right away it starts bubbling there. Okay, so here we go, ready? See, it's making a constant supply. Oh, it's a big bubble, let's get some more bubbles. It's better if you get bigger bubbles because those like to explode a little better. Small bubbles just make a bunch of tiny little explosions. If you have a bunch of like large sized bubbles, it'll explode better. So this is quite a bit. I might stop here because I don't want too powerful an explode. It's basically a hydrogen bomb. Okay, let's stop here. Unplug it. Okay, here we go, ready? This might be loud. Okay, ready? Whoa, that was powerful. That was cool. Okay, let's do that all over again. Plug it in, it starts bubbling. It's super cool. It's a really fast explosion, as you can see. Oh, it's making some weird bubbles. Look at that. I wish I could light the torch right now, but I would rather not light it right now, rather than light it and have a pretty good chance of it exploding. Okay, ready? Here we go. It's a loud explosion, though. That's the cool thing. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm gonna make it focus. Come on, stupid camera. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that was powerful. Okay, so yeah, that's my hydrogen generator. It works really well, as you can see. If you're planning on making something like this, I would recommend, at first it's gonna be just air coming out, not hydrogen. And you're gonna have to wait a little bit. So yeah, that's my hydrogen generator, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.